Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to edit image in MS Word. Friends, in MS Word software you can very easily do basic editing in a photo. So to do so you need to click on insert. In insert click on pictures. Now here you need to select the image in which you want to do editing. My image is on desktop. So select the image. After selecting the image, click on insert. Now to crop this image, you need to right click on the image and here click on crop. Now select the portion you want to crop. Like we don't need this portion and this portion of the image. So after selecting the area, press enter. Now your image is cropped. Now we will increase sharpness. For that, select the image and after selecting the image, click on corrections. I am increasing 25% sharpness. Now my picture is looking more clear. Now I will change contrast and brightness also. For that I need to click on corrections again and here in brightness oblique contrast section I will increase contrast. Now I have increased sharpness and contrast of the image. Now right click on the image and here click on style. Now from here you can select a frame. Now I have selected frame for the image. Now my image looks like this. If you want you can play with the colors also. For that double click on the image. Here click on colors. In color section you can make this image black and white or in very less colors. Also increase the color as per your taste. Also you can select color tone. Like this one is little on the yellow side. Also you can make this photo black and white and give different type of colors to this image. So there are many choices, you can play around as per your taste. So friends, like this you can very easily edit image in MS Word. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.